Hey everyone! If you want to add some cool effects to your videos, follow this tutorial as we're gonna use graphics and characters to create awesome edits. Let's get started. First, start the software and create a new project. Prepare clear and distinct character assets. Then use your familiar method to cut out the character and import all the required assets into the software. I'll share these background assets for free on Google Drive. Next, find the button and click it to add a few overlay tracks. Drag the background image to the video track and adjust its duration. After that, drag the background image to the overlay track number 2 and adjust its duration. In the inspector, click on Height to fit it to the screen. Now go to the chroma key area, click the color box. Use the eyedropper tool to pick the green color, and then check the enabled box. Adjust these two values. And you've completed the background editing. Finally, continue to drag another background video to the timeline and use the same method to edit it. First, drag the cutout image to the overlay track and complete the basic editing. Then find the motion icon on the toolbar and click it to edit the motion effect. At the first frame, click Add Keyframe and adjust the box to fill the entire screen. Then move the playhead forward to generate the second keyframe. Add a speed curve to it. Go back to the first keyframe, move the box upward until it's completely out of the frame, and click Apply to apply the adjustments. Use the Split tool to cut it into two parts. Then move the second half to overlay track number 1. Use the shortcuts Ctrl and C to copy it, and paste it to the overlay track. Adjust the starting time of this clip. Next, go to the inspector and add a fade-in effect to it. Then adjust its scale and position in the transform section. Let's continue by going to the compositing section and add a color burn blend mode. Re-enter the motion editor panel. Click Add a keyframe at a suitable position and adjust the box to fill the entire screen. Then move the playhead to the last frame. Click Add a keyframe and adjust the size and position of the box to select only the part of the character. Add a speed curve to it. Return to the main interface, drag the next character image to the empty track, and complete the basic editing. Then, like what we already did, edit the slide-in motion effect for it. After that, use the Split tool to cut it into two parts. Just like before, copy the second half to the blank track. Click the color icon to color grade it. In the Custom Adjustments area on the right, edit these parameters in order to achieve the desired effect. Next, continue to adjust the scale and position in the inspector. And then go to the compositing section. This time, add the color dodge blend mode. After that, click the motion icon. At the first frame, click Add a keyframe and adjust the box to fill the entire screen. Then generate the second keyframe and add a speed curve to it. Go back to the first keyframe, move the box a little to the left, and then click Apply to return to the main interface. Select this clip again, and enter the Motion Editor panel. At the first frame, click Add Keyframe and adjust the box to fill the entire screen. Then, move the playhead forward. To generate the second keyframe, move the box a little to the right and add a speed curve to it. Generate the third keyframe without any adjustments. And at the last frame, click Add Keyframe. Adjust the size and position of this box to make the character larger. And click Apply to apply the adjustments. Alright, let's continue by dragging the next photo to the timeline and use the same method to make basic edits and add the slide in motion effect. Then use the split tool to cut it into two parts and copy the content of the second half to a different track and add a fill-in effect. After that, select this clip and lower its opacity. Then select this clip again and then go to the compositing section to add an exclusion blend mode. Add some background music, and then that's it. Alright, that's all for today's tutorial. If you want to see more creative tutorials, be sure to follow us. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!